In this video, we're going to show you how to replace the front impact absorber on your Ford Expedition. This will be located under the front bumper on the lower half. Using a trim tool, we're going to pop the clips off of this shield. With the clips out, we can push this shield up and out of our way, and we'll find two more for the front bumper. Remove those clips. We're going to reach up and unplug the fog light connector. There's a little push button on the back. Push that and pull straight down. Do this on both sides. In the fender area, there's going to be two 5.5 millimeter screws on the side of the bumper. We're going to take these two lower screws off. Do the same thing on the other side. To remove the front bumper, there's going to be these clips all along the inside. You're going to push the tabs up. You're going to hold this top part as you push this lower part in. We're going to bump out until here. Once you have here on this side, go to the other side and do the same thing. Using a plastic trim tool, we're going to get in between the two bumpers, find the tabs, and we're going to push in and undo them, working our way down the front of the bumper. If you're struggling to get the bumper from the front, you can go to the back and push on those tabs directly. Once you have this whole side disconnected, we're going to move into this middle part. In the middle, bottom of the grill, there's going to be two tabs. We're going to push up in the back and then pull these forward. Then we're going to continue along and keep popping out our clips. Behind the impact absorber bar, we're going to be looking at the bumper. There's going to be 4 metal clips. We're going to remove these clips. I'm going to take a right angle pick, put it in the end, and then twist the clip one way and then the other, just going back and forth and removing the clip. Go through and do this on all 4 of the clips. With all of those clips popped out, we can push our bumper forward and remove it from the vehicle. Using a 21 millimeter socket, we're going to remove the nuts on the back of the impact absorber. There's one more on the outside right here. Now I'm going to go to the other side and do the same thing. I'm going to leave this last one threaded on just a few threads so that when we get them all off, the bar doesn't just want to fall off. Do the same thing on the other side. Keeping a hand on the impact bar, we're going to go to the other side and remove that nut that we had just a few threads. Then we'll push the bar forward and remove it from the car. Install the impact absorber and get your nuts started. We're going to put one of these down pretty far so it holds the bar up there for us. Get the one on the outside started. And then do the same thing on the other side. With all of your nuts started, we're going to go ahead and snug them down. Torque the impact bar nuts to 50 foot-pounds. Install the bumper onto the car. We're going to start in our middle sections. First thing we're going to do is put these two tabs in the bottom of the grill. Click those into place. You're going to want the bottom bumper behind this top fascia cover. And we're going to go through and start pushing this lower bumper under the tabs on this top fascia. Using a trim tool, we're going to pop that tab into place. We're going to pull it forward and in front. And we're going to repeat this going down the line. This black tab is going to be in the back. This white tab is going to go through this slot. Once you have all your tabs lined up and in position, we're going to hold this bottom part. We're going to push the fascia back as we pull the bumper forward and lock all of these clips in. And pop the bumper into place. Do the same thing on the other side. Push the black tab back. Get the white tab into the bottom bumper piece. Go through and set all of your clips. And then we'll move to the back side, and where that one black tab was right here, we'll go on the back and push it onto the two tabs. There's 4 of those clips, 1 in each of these pockets. Go through and install them all. I'm going to flip the tab up, install our clip, and then install it into the impact absorber. Do the same thing on the other one. And grab the under shield. And we're going to pull this down and then install the clips. We're going to use 2 new replacement clips for these two. Install the fog light connector, push until you hear a click. If you don't hear a click, give a pull, make sure it's locked in, and then go ahead and do the same thing on the other side. Install the 2 screws for the side of the fender. Snug them down. And you're good to go.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.